Hello everyone. In this video we are going to take a look at some examples of hash tables and then look at the difference between array and hash table, which is an important interview question. This is an example of an hash table. I declare a variable and then here there's an @ sign and the curly braces. The @ sign and the curly braces indicates that it is an hash table. Hash table has got keys. These are all keys and then the corresponding values. Let's put this in the memory and go back and then let's find out the keys. You can see here these are all the keys and these are the keys, and let's find out the values here. These are all the corresponding values. This side is the keys and this side is the values, corresponding values. And let's create a user in Active Directory using the hash table. Okay, the user has been created. Let's go to Active Directory and then let's go to the user OU. And then the user has been created. John Doe has been created successfully. You can loop through the keys and values using a for each loop. You can see here that I declared a variable and then save the keys. Okay, using the for each loop, I'm looping through the keys and values. Let's highlight this. Let's run. And this is how you do it. These are all the keys and these are all the values. Here I declared a variable OU path and then the hash table, and this is the key, the finance, and then the corresponding value, the IT, and then the corresponding path, the OU path, and HR and corresponding the OU path. In the previous example, we created John Doe in Active Directory, and this user currently sitting in the user's OU, and we wanted to move the user to the IT OU based on the hash table. So we have to do get AD user SAM account name. SAM account name is the login ID for this particular person, and then pipe it to move AD object target path and the OU path. The OU path is nothing but the hash table and the user department, which is IT. It goes and searches the IT department in the hash table and then put the user in the corresponding OU. Let's highlight this and let's run it. Okay, let's go to the Active Directory and see where is this user. Is he in IT OU? Refresh. And John Doe, he is in IT OU. The important thing about the hash table is that you cannot have a duplicate keys. For example, here, if you copy here, if you have it the same name, then you can see here a red squiggly line. Duplicate keys are not allowed. This is really important. Hash table will not allow duplicates. This is the third example. I've shown this example several times in my previous video. I'm going to go through one more time. This is an empty array. I declared an empty array. I'm getting users from Active Directory, SAM account name, surname, and given name, and then I'm given a where condition, like A, surname like A, and surname like B. I'm selecting only the first 10, and I'm doing a for each loop and then saving it in an array. You can see here plus equal to, and this is a hash table, and I'm in the hash table I'm saving a semicolon name, first name, and last name. If you run this one, highlight, run, let's go and take a look at the file. It's on lesson 12. And all the users are saved in the CSV file. The next one is difference between array and hash table. This is an important interview question. Arrays, it starts with @ and the bracket, and then the hash table is @ with curly braces. Arrays are accessed by 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Arrays, you know that it always starts with 0. Arrays are slow in processing because it goes by one. Arrays are immutable. That means it's a fixed size. Because of that, when you add an item to an array, it destroys the existing array and creates a new one. The hash table accessed by keys and values. Hash tables are faster in processing because of it accessed by keys and values. Duplicate keys not possible in hash table. Thanks for watching, guys, and you have a great day.